Hi there, my name is Cassandra Cannon. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist, an EMDR approved consultant, and I'm also an APA approved sponsor to provide continuing education courses. And I wanted to walk you through a struggle that I had recently with a client that is struggling with work anxiety. And this person has been referred to me because CBT was working to some degree, but the hope is that EMDR could get more traction in addressing the negative beliefs that are being activated. And in target selection, for some reason, the affect scan and the floatback were not working for this person. And that's fine. That's just not how this person operates. That's just not how their system is. But fortunately, because they had previously been doing CBT, we were able to identify the driving negative beliefs that were amplifying their current anxiety symptoms. And so the current plan to select targets is the very earliest event that they can recall that proved the negative belief about themselves. We also know an event that immediately preceded the increase in their anxiety symptoms. And so we're going to target that. That's in our master treatment plan. And any other negative beliefs, any other experiences from the past that really come to them when they bring their awareness to that negative belief. Going to earliest, worst, or when the symptoms increase the most, and then anything else that's still there after we process those first two. And remember, with generalization, other experiences that they might have identified, they might not have energy anymore. And so we reevaluate that to assess if we still need to address that target. And then don't remember, you do past, present, future. So present would be their present triggers at work, and then future template is embodying this positive belief about themselves when they encounter a situation in the future that currently proves troublesome. And something else to remember is as you are processing past targets, there might be the feeder memories in there. And so we might even find something earlier than what the client logically was able to identify. And so don't forget that your treatment plan is flexible. And so if you find a feeder memory, you pause your current, you go to the feeder memory, address that, return to the target, and finish that. And so I hope this explanation of my recent struggles is helpful. And if you have more interest in the different ways you can select targets and sequence targets, I have a 2-hour continuing education course on target selection and sequencing. Thanks.